Hello everyone, this is Saurabh and today I'm going to uh, present on topic on function in Python. Let us start. In this PPT we cover about introduction in Python, what is function, advantage of function, syntax of function, example based on function and parameters and arguments. Let us go with next slide. First, introduction to Python. Python is a high-level interpreter programming language. Python is a programming language and it is highly interpreted and programming language. It is developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Third, it is easy syntax and reliable code. Means in Python syntax are easy to learn, easy to execute and reliable the code means like you can say that easy to learn or easy to execute. Fourth, it is you these languages are used to use in web development, AI, data science and automation, and also in data analytics. Let us go with next slide. Here we learn about what is a function. First, function is a block of reusable code. Means here we use the code is reusable before that use. Second, performs a specific task. Function is also performing a specific task in Python programming. Run only when called. It is run only when user called by the function to the function. Sorry. It reduces code repetition. Means in Python there is repetition of the code. It is used for function is used for reducing the repetition of the code. In this slide here we learn about advantage of function. First, code reusable. Second, better organization. Easy to debug. Means we can execute easily or easily fix the error in the code. Improve readability. Shall we go next slide? Here we learn this in this slide we learn about syntax. We see about syntax of function. First, here you see that uh, def means is a define. Here we define the function name and we give the parameters like hashtag used for command, and under this we have to write a code, and here we return the value. We go next slide. Let us take one simple example of function. Define grid. Function is one thing more. Function is also called a method, or method is also called a function. Here we define grid braces on brackets close semicolon. Here we print hello world to Python. Here we print grid print, and your output is your output is hello world to Python. Let us go with next slide. Here we learn about Python with parameters. In this we have to give the parameters. Here we define grid name. Name is a parameter. Here we define and here we define parameter like name. Parameter is name is a parameter, and you have to print here print hello name and grade Saurabh. Their output is hello Saurabh. Shall we go next slide? Here we learn about function with return value. In this example, we have to learn about how return the value in Python using function. Here we define add. Here we give two parameters. One is a and second is b. Here we give return plus a plus 1. Return is equal to add to 10 and 10 comma 20. Here 10 is a and 20 is b. Print result, and the output is 30 because here we give the here we give add, and a plus b equal to means a plus b means 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Let us learn about type of function in Python. First, built-in function. Second, user defined function, lambda function, and recursive function. This is the last one. Shall we go next slide? First, let us take one example of recursive function. Recursive function is also called, we can say that, factorial. Let us take one example of recursive function. Uh, Here we define factorial and give the parameter n. If n double equal to 1 colon return 1, return n into factorial n minus 1 in brackets. Here, here we give the factorial number, and we go next slide. Here we take default parameter. Default parameter means it take default number or default value. Here we define grid name equal to student, print hello name, means their output is hello Saurabh, sorry, hello student, because it take default value. In this slide, here we learn about keywords argument. Here we define student. Here we give two parameter. First is name, second is age. Print age comma print name comma age. Here we give the value like student under this age equal to 20 and name equal to Saurabh. Then here we print. Here we give input like print age and Saurabh, like age and name. Then their output is age equal to Saurabh, sorry, age equal to 20 and name equal to Saurabh. Shall we go next slide? Local and global variable. It is comes under the functions. Say x equal to 10. Hashtag used for like hashtag for comment in Python. It is global variable. Here we define test and brackets on and close colon y equal to 5. Local print x print y. Here we print x equal to 10 and y equal to 5. Here we discuss about what is here is some difference between parameters and argument. Parameters are defined in function, or it is used in function to define the function. Arguments are passed while calling. When the user call, then it will be that its work is argumenting the function. Let us take one real-time example. Let us assume that we are going to ATM for withdrawing the cash. Here we first step, we have to insert the ATM card into the machine. Here we insert the ATM card into the machine. That called call function, because here we insert the here we insert the ATM card, and we have to call that. Second step, enter your pin. After that, second step, we have to enter the pin, that is called parameter. We have to give the parameter. And third step, get cache. We got output, like we have to, after entering pin, we have to get output, like you have to get, we have getting the cache. Let us go next slide. Here we conclusion, like at the end we have to give the conclusion. Function in improve structure. Basically, function are used to improve the function in Python programming. It is help to improve the structure or code. Second, improve efficiency and readability. Third, essential in Python programming. It is essential in Python programming, and it is also called a method. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.